This video is quick and easy cucumber snacks. I rinse out my old bottles, and what I'll do is I'll take a cup of vinegar. That might be a little more than a cup, but probably about an ounce more. And take a few teaspoons of sugar. Take me some cilantro lime to spice it up a little bit. About a teaspoon. Take me some crushed red peppers. Make me a healthy snack. What I'll do with this is put it on a salad or just eat it how it is. Then I take my water, add equal to vinegar, about 8-9 ounces. Then shake that up. I'll dice me an onion. That's a smaller onion, but I really like red onions, but I don't have none growing around here right now. Add some onion in there. I'll take cucumber, slice it into slices. Add those in there. Shake it up some more. Oh yeah. Take some more onion, put it on top of there. Dice me some more slices. Had one try to get away. Put those in there. Throw the rest of the onions in there. Top it off. Bam, right there. Shake it up real good. Get all that sugar in the bottom to go to the top. I might shake it a few more times in the fridge, but I'll put that in the fridge for a day and have me a jar of cucumber snacks. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching.